Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by mounting the camera and balancing it precisely. This prevents motor strain and drift. First, secure the plate to the camera and lock the 1/4-20 screw. Once done, place the camera on the stabilizer and slide it until it floats level without motors. Make sure lens, battery, and card are installed so weight stays constant. Finally, fine-tune pan, tilt, and roll until the camera stays level at any angle. This saves time in calibration and improves runtime. Now power the stabilizer and check battery level and firmware. Updated firmware reduces glitches. Next, use the manufacturer app or onboard menu to run auto-calibration so IMU sensors align with the camera's center of gravity. While calibrating, watch for error prompts and rerun if needed. Then set motor strength. Start around 50% and increase if you hear strain or sag, decrease if jitter appears. Make sure to save profiles for specific cameras and lens combos so you're ready to operate. Choose a mode like lock for static framing or follow for smooth pans and switch seamlessly with the mode button. Walk with a slight bend in your knees and pivot from the waist to keep shots smooth. Use controlled steps and avoid sudden stops. After shooting, power down sequentially and store away. If you ever see drift or jitter, rebalance the mount, run IMU calibration again, and inspect for loose screws or a sagging lens. That fixes most faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.